Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. The holidays are just around the corner and today I will be making these beautiful ornaments for my Christmas tree using sealing wax. So let's not waste any time and go straight to it. I'm going to need sealing wax, of course, then brass wax seal stamps. I have these adorable Christmas themed ones and I can't wait to see how they will turn out. Then I need 3 spoons, one for each wax color, then fishing line. You can also use a thread or rope, depending on the style you are going for. Then I need a silicone mat and I will place it the shiny side up, so the back of my ornaments will also have a smooth and shiny finish. Then candle and wax burner to melt the wax. Then I need some mixing tools for stirring the wax while it melts. Then I have a few stamp handles for my brass heads. I'm using wax from my Christmas collection, which is 100% natural and made from plant resins and biodegradable glitter. It's in colors gold, red and green, and they are absolutely gorgeous. In case you want to try them, I will leave a link for them in the description. And of course, we are going to need scissors. So let's get started! First, I'm trimming the candle wick so it doesn't burn too high. This also helps prevent soot from blackening the bottoms of the spoons while we melt the wax. Next, I'm cutting the fishing line into pieces about 10 cm or 4 inches long. I fold each piece in half and tape it onto the silicone mat using washi tape to keep it in place. Make sure the ends of the line are long enough to match the size of your seal. Let's make our first ornament, but unfortunately I overheated the wax. It's boiling, but no worries, I can fix this just by stirring it and waiting for it to cool down. Look how shiny and smooth it gets once it settles. I love creating with sealing wax because it's just so mesmerizing to watch the wax melt. I just love it. Alright, the wax is now ready. I will pour it onto the mat and gently press my stamp into it. I will let it set for a moment before removing it, and while it's cooling, I will start melting more wax for the next seal. It's cooled down, so I can carefully take it off of the mat. And just a quick tip, be gentle when removing the seal from the mat, because this sealing wax is quite fragile and it's very easy to break it. Anyway, it sticks to the fishing line really well, so I don't need to add any extra adhesives. I really like how it turned out, so let's just make more. Well, one of my seals broke apart, but that's actually the beauty of working with sealing wax, because if something goes wrong, you can always remelt it and try again. Now I want to make a bead chain with alternating colors. I'm going to drop small beads of wax onto the fishing line. I actually haven't tried this before, so let's see how it turns out. Well, Well, it doesn't really work the way I wanted to. The beads are coming off the fishing line just as I feared, but I'm going to fix it by flipping the line over and adding another drop of the wax to the back of each bead. This way they will be more secure and will not slide off. It's a little messier than I anticipated, but I think it looks adorable. From distance, you can't even tell that there are any imperfections. Now I'm going to make a longer chain to decorate the whole tree. Alright, I'm back and here's what I've made. I have 18 wax stem ornaments and over 1 meter or around 4 feet of bead chain. And I still have plenty of sealing wax left, so if I want to make more, I can. And finally, now it's time to decorate my Christmas tree. It's a small live spruce, and isn't it just the cutest? I really enjoyed making these decorations, and I love how it turned out. And now I would like to hear from you. What do you think about it? And would you do something differently? Please let me know in the comments and like this video if you want to see more not so traditional crafts with sealing wax. Thank you all for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!